As-Salaamu Alaikum Warahmatullah. Brothers and sisters, I want to inform you about a very important matter regarding your Islamic TV channel, iPlus TV. Please wait, it has not closed down, but iPlus TV is at a stage that it may close down. iPlus TV has to make a major payment in the next few days. In spite of many extensions and in spite of many efforts, iPlus TV has not been able to make this payment. Imagine, iPlus TV has approval from the government of India. Since nearly the past 2 years, iPlus TV has been broadcasting high quality programs, non-stop, 24 hours. Alhamdulillah, through satellite broadcast, iPlus TV is taking the message of peace and tolerance into almost 2 crore homes of India. My dear brothers and sisters, indeed, it is the help of Allah, the efforts of the team behind this, and the support and the belief of those supporters who supported us that iPlus TV has reached this stage. But now, if the Ummah doesn't come forward and join us in this work, it is not going to be possible to continue this work any longer. We request you to support iPlus TV in these times of crisis and to spend generously from what Allah has given you in the way of Allah and to support this great cause. Becoming the source of guidance for people is better than many precious things of this world. So take your phone and call us now.
To save iPlus TV, contact us on 98202 60173 or do an online transfer or visit our website www.iplustv.com.
Please remember, whatever we spend in the way of Allah does not reduce our wealth, rather it increases it. And no amount is too small to be given in the way of Allah. With the help of Allah, inshallah, this channel can be saved, but we all need to do whatever is possible for us. That may Allah make this effort sadaqatul jariyah for all of us.